I'll guide you through how to get LinkedIn profile link of anyone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open LinkedIn.com in your browser. Once the site loads, click on the search bar located in the top left corner of the page. Type the name of the person you want to search for and press enter. From a list of search results, click on the profile of the person you're looking for. When their profile opens, move your cursor to the address bar. Select all the content in that section by clicking and dragging your cursor or using your keyboard shortcuts. Right-click on the selected content and choose the Copy option from the drop-down menu. Next, open a new tab in your browser. Once the new tab is open, move your cursor to the address bar. Right-click in the address bar and select Paste. This will paste the copied link into the bar. After pasting, press the Enter key on your keyboard. The browser will load the page associated with the link you copied. You should now see the content linked from the LinkedIn profile.